Before Apple introduced the iPad in 2010, no one knew they needed this not quite a computer but not quite a smartphone device. But now tablets are indispensable to a lot of consumers. What I think has the potential to be really revolutionary, though, is the usage of tablets in verticals like healthcare, education, and the enterprise in general. In our future cities, I expect that tablets will be a crucial enterprise tool. Now, this change is already starting to happen. Apple said on its last earnings call that more than 94% of all Fortune 500 companies are either testing or already using iPads in their business. And there are more than 1 million iPads, that's more than Mac laptops being sold, to education in the US alone. I'm also personally seeing more iPads in the healthcare industry. In a hospital or a doctor's office, tablets can really bring x-rays to life. Doctors can use them to better explain diseases with interactive models. They can take notes, they can take pictures, and what I think is particularly cool and helpful is they can use them to visit patients without even making them come into the office. In some cases, why not schedule an appointment over FaceTime? Now, I was recently able to do this. I thought I had refractured my foot from an old injury, and rather than go into the doctor's office and do the old pinch it until I scream and see if it's broken test, I just FaceTimed with an orthopedic surgeon, and he used this model of a foot and got me to identify where the pain was and diagnose it that way. It saved me about 2 hours of my time and at least $200. So I think that was a really cool thing. And in education too, there's the opportunity to promote distance learning or loop in a student when they're homesick. I spoke with Verizon recently about this, and one thing they're working on in their innovation labs is a network-connected robot. So this is about a 4-foot-tall person-like structure that basically has a tablet for its face. So using this robot in the classroom means that a student who might be bedridden or otherwise confined to the home can come to class, he can sit in the class, interact with the teacher and other students, which is a really cool and really helpful thing for them. Now, I understand that buying iPads in bulk is an expensive proposition, but I do think that the cost savings and customer loyalty that will result from doing this are well worth it for any enterprise. Tablets in the workplace, and especially in healthcare and education, are only going to become more common in future cities. And the best part is that their potential seems to grow with every new software update and new apps that we've yet to imagine that come to these devices. Now, I think tablets are so much more than a bigger screen for Angry Birds, and I'm really excited to see how this bodes for our future cities.